Hey guys, welcome to Data Dost. In this video, we are going to discuss on differences between var, lat and const keywords. Alright, let's quickly jump into the video. Var keyword declarations are global or function scoped. The var variables can updated and redeclared. It's similar to global variables. And also, these variables can be hoisted to the top and initialized with undefined. Alright, let me explain with an example. So I have taken a new file and with the help of var keyword, I am creating one new variable with message hello world. And now with the help of if block, and I am again redeclaring the same variable with new value like welcome to Data Dost. Okay, so after declaring this, now let's see what will be the value. So I am printing it in console.log. I am printing this variable message. As we already discussed, all the declarations will be hoisted to the top and initialized to undefined. So if we are trying to print the value before declaration, it will printed with the value undefined. Now let's see the output. The terminal node test.js. So if we see, the output is welcome to Data Dost. If we see here, the old value is getting updated with new value. So there is a chance of overriding an existing value. Better be careful while using this var keyword. While let is a block scoped and preferred for variable declaration because it overcomes the limitations of var keyword. Let variable can be updated but cannot be redeclared. It can be hoisted to top but not initialized. Let's see with an example. Here I am replacing var with let and I am saving the file. Open terminal. Now I am testing this file. If we see here, it will print hello world. So overriding is not happening. Let's see whether the value is updating or not. So here I am trying to update with welcome to Data Dost. So update is happening. Now let's see whether are we able to redefine the same variable in the scope. So I am adding the same variable with new value. Now let's see what will be the output. Here the value is trying to update. If we see here, it will left with an error. Message has already declared. Since same variable cannot be declared within the scope, then the problem discussed earlier that occurs with var keyword does not happen. While const is also having a block scope, but it cannot be updated and cannot be redeclared. We cannot modify the variable, but we can add the properties of the variable. Just like let, const declarations are hoisted to the top, but not initialized. Let's discuss with an example. I am replacing let with const keyword. This const keyword is similar to constant. So whatever the variable we defined with const keyword will behave same like constant. Now let me print the value. Here hello world will be printed. The message welcome to Data Dost will have scope only for the if block. And the const message hello world will having scope for the entire program. So this value will be printed. And this if block will not be printed because it is not having scope. Let me try to update the value. If I am trying to update the value, it is left with an error. Assignment to const variable is not possible. Let me try to redeclare the variable with the same variable name. If I am trying to do this, it will also throw an error. If we see here, it's thrown an error like it's already been declared. So we cannot redefine or we cannot update the value with the const keyword. Just to summarize, var declarations are globally scoped or functionally scoped, while let and constant are block scoped. Var variables can be updated and redeclared within the scope. In let keyword, with the let keyword can be updated with the new value but cannot be redeclared. In const, we cannot declare and we cannot assign with new value. Hoisting is happening in all three variable keywords, but var keyword can be defaulted with undefined. That's it for this video. For any doubts or suggestions, please let me know in comment section and hit the subscribe button for more videos. Thank you and see you again.